Hi guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to fix a TikTok Shop product not showing. Now let's get right into it. Now there are possible ways on why the TikTok products doesn't appear on your TikTok Shop. So TikTok can reject some of your products if it does not comply with TikTok advertising policies. All rejected products will appear in the rejected products column in the products on TikTok section on the TikTok page. You can check out TikTok requirements for ads, make changes in the catalog, and then resync products. So as you can see, there is no products in this TikTok shop, even though I've successfully added products in my showcase. Now, how are we going to fix this? We are going to go ahead and open our Seller Center. So if you don't have a Seller Center app, you can download this in your Play Store or in your App Store. Now we are going to click on Settings at the bottom right corner of our interface. And we are just going to click Linked TikTok Accounts and then click Official Account. So as you can see, it's linked. Now we are going to unlink official account. We have a note here that we cannot unlink our official account one time and cannot unlink it anymore. So if you haven't unlinked your account yet, then you can do this one. So you are just going to wait for 24 hours for TikTok to respond to you. So you can check that in your notifications here in your TikTok account. In your inbox, you can see it here. And then the next thing that you can do is when you received your message already here in your TikTok account, you're gonna go ahead and go to the Seller Center and then click Settings and then click Link TikTok Accounts. And then this time you are going to click on Marketing Accounts. So here you can link your TikTok account. So you're just going to enter the TikTok username that you have. If the products doesn't still appear here in your TikTok shop, here's what we can do. We're gonna go ahead to our Seller Center. And then we are going to just scroll down and click Help Center. Then just scroll down. And you have here two options on how you can contact the support. You can chat with a live agent or you can submit a ticket. So we can try the live chat. So here we are going to chat with a live agent and you're just going to type here your issue. Now TikTok is going to respond to you on the things that you can do on how you can solve this problem. So there you go. That's how you're going to That's how you're going to fix a TikTok shop product not showing. If you have questions, type them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.